Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is about mastering office organization techniques. The topic we are dealing with has to do with organizing the office so that we have high productivity, so the structure of our presentation should be as simple and clean as possible to match our topic. We don't need in this particular case a noisy presentation with many images and complex shapes and illustrations. We need a simple presentation to clearly convey the message of our presentation, which is office organization techniques. When we are dealing with office organization and such cases, it is good that our presentations are clean and simple. Of course, opinions differ. It's purely a matter of perspective, how we perceive and want to communicate the theme of a presentation. In this presentation case, we can use white color and shades of gray. And the image we choose to put will be in these colors. In this presentation, we will play with the shape of circle. The first step we take is to insert an image. We go to Insert ribbon, Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert into the slide, click Insert. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. We see that the dimensions of the image are smaller than our slide, so we adjust the image to our slide. We also see that we have chosen the large image, the large size of the image, so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. We click on the photo and drag the mouse first for the left side and then from the right side until it meets the borders of our slide. In the center of the slide, we will insert a large circle. We go to Insert, Shapes, choose Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We will give the dimensions of the circle to make the same design and you can practice with us. We go to Shape Format ribbon, Size, Height, 18 cm and width 18 cm. It's about 7.8 inches if you have inches in your settings. We go to Align Center, Align Middle. And we go to change the color of the circle. Shape Format, Shape Fill. We go to Right Format Shape, right click Format Shape. Fill. We set the transparency 52%. Line, no line. And now we are going to write our title inside the circle. We go to Insert ribbon. We choose click text box, click inside the circle, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font and size 40. Bold. And white color. And we write the title Shift apostrophe, Boost your productivity, mastering office organization techniques. Center the text. We close apostrophe. We will frame the title with two small rectangles. We go to Insert ribbon, choose Shapes, choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape Format, Shape Fill White, Shape Outline, no outline. And we copy one more time, right click copy, right click paste. and we put it down the title. Now we will write the presenter's name. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Text Box, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri 20 size, bold and white color. And we write the presenter's name. By Martha, with uppercase. By Martha G. Santos. And we place it in the desired position. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill. We choose in the third column, third in a row, light gray. And this is it. Now we want to insert 3 more circles with different dimensions. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, Oval, click with Ctrl Shift, drag and release it. We want to copy one other 2 times, right click copy, right click paste, right click copy, right click paste. And to have, we will give the dimensions to have the same results. For the first circle, Shape Format, size 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter and width, height and width, and it's about 0.39 inches if you have inches in your settings. We go to the first 2 centimeters height and 2 centimeters width, and it's about 0.78 inches if you have inches in your settings. And the third circle, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and height and 3 centimeter width, and it's about 1.18 inches if you have inches in your settings. Now we click the first circle, we go Shape Fill, in the second column the third in a row, color gray, Shape Outline, no outline, and the other 2 circles too. Shift Control click and Shift click, Shape Fill, second column third in a row, color. And now we set the transparency for every circle. For the first circle, right click Format Shape, transparency 60%. Second circle, transparency 74%, line, no line. And the third circle, transparency 82%, line, no line. And that's it. Now it's time for animation. We go to the image, we go to Animations ribbon, we choose Entrance, Zoom. Start with Previews, Duration 1, Effect Options, Slide Center. We go to the big circle, Entrance Zoom, Start after Previews, Duration 1, Effect Options, Slide Center. We go to the title, Entrance Zoom, start after previous, duration 1. Effect options, object center, all at once. We go to the first rectangle, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options from top. We go to the second rectangle, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options from top. From bottom, we go to the presenter's name, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options from bottom. We go to 3 more circles, click, 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 shift and click, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 0.75. And now we go to the slideshow button to see the result. We see start after previous. We forgot it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!